Hello, this is a demonstration of ThatNeedle's legal document search. It is powered by ThatNeedle's natural language processing and it can be deployed on premise. So the input is a document folder that contains unstructured documents in the form of PDF files or maybe even other formats. So for the sake of this demonstration, we are limiting it to court judgments as PDFs. So it's unstructured text. So these have already been indexed by ThatNeedle and you could start searching. So here's a simple search interface and we can start by typing in a single word. So here I typed in excise. And as you can see, the output of this has been very neatly organized into search results which are very neatly structured. So for a typical search result for a judgment, you will see a verdict. The opposite party is mentioned here because it's supposed to be an enterprise application where the host is assumed to be the other party. The court where the judgment was held and the date of the judgment. But this is not a static output. Here you can see, apart from the verdict, party, court and date, you will also see some acts. So these are the legal acts that are involved. Excise Act, the Sales Tax Act, these are the ones. And the red outline here shows that the other party won and the enterprise party using our software lost. So the red basically indicates lost verdicts. So I would again like to emphasize that the information is not available to us in this structured form. It was available to us as PDFs. For example, we could just click on this. So this is essentially the input of the uh, input for the software. So this is the judgment from the Supreme Court, downloaded from the court site. So based on these judgments, this is the search result. So it's a pretty powerful way to search. So let's just extend our search to excise department. So these are the two search results. As you can see, the previous result has been omitted because it was not against the excise department as such, it was against the state of Karnataka. In this case, these parties are the excise department parties. So that's why the third result has been omitted. Let's try out another search. I'm typing in lost by customs. So here you will see a green outline which basically means that it was won by us and lost by customs. So again you will see the party is the Commissioner of Customs in the Supreme Court. You click on it, you see the judgment. We're constantly adding more features to this. We'll be doing some very rich search on contracts as well, and we'll post another video for that. And for now, it's just a demonstration of how easy legal document search could be with ThatNeedle. You can learn more at thatneedle.com or email us at mail@thatneedle.com. Thank you for watching.